was reflecting this week and I realized that I don't always share as much of my life and my friends as there is to be shared. So I wanted to introduce you to Maya. Maya has been one of my best friends for 6 years, and we actually met at a meet and greet that I did down the street from here.
Right, it's like a block away.
And she came to both of my meetups for Hourglass Cosmetics on both days.
Years ago.
And she's been one of my best friends since. Also, she's freaking getting married, and I'm a bridesmaid, and I'm so excited and have no idea what to do.
Well, today we're gonna learn what to do. Tell him.
Because we're gonna be recreating a makeup tutorial. I've seen this go around on the internet. We both met because of beauty, and we both love Tati. If you know who Tati is, tell us, and if
Girl
you don't,
crush.
that's what frickin' Google is for. She's amazing. She does a lot of product reviews, a video a day. She does a lot of makeup tutorials. And being someone who is an expert at covering acne, but still cannot get my cut crease right, we're gonna attempt to recreate a Tati tutorial.
I think it'll be fun. I need to learn how to do makeup for the wedding, and I need to do wedding for the bridesmaids, and
photography,
bridal makeup, and whatever. So we're gonna learn a lot today. Let's watch some videos.
Let's get YouTubing.
So what are we watching?
Chit chat, get ready with me.
All right.
Different teas out there, and this is surprisingly really good.
So she's already primed her face and done her brows. She didn't say what she's using, so we'll use these.
Actually, you know what? She actually reviewed this recently. I think this might have been her one of her last videos. So I'm gonna use this one.
And this is the, what is it?
This is the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with willow herb.
Because we're in New York and it's been dry. Isn't that cool?
Oh my god.
You don't like it?
No, it's fascinating.
Because it's New York and my skin's so dry, I'm using my old favorite, Green Tea Organic Primer. This is from alia.com, literally one of my favorite natural beauty websites. And then this is a Prime and Fine Wrinkle Primer from Catrice. I'm adding this wrinkle primer into my acne scars, because when you think about it, when your skin moves, you can see scars more. They become more apparent.
Right.
So this just kind of helps fill them in. So she was trying a new foundation. Let's see what we got going on.
My brows looking like this, I would be so happy.
She's using a beauty blender. You're going to use a brush. This is a mousse foundation because her foundation was pretty full coverage. This is the Even Steven Whipped Foundation.
Ooh, it is very whipped.
Yes, and it's more full coverage than I thought when I first used it.
All right, let's do this. Oh man, bridal makeup is going very well so far.
The look that we're recreating has kind of like a nice berry lip. All right, Tati, what next?
Seeing everything happen.
So next, Tati was using Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I would say this is kind of comparable to Tarte Shape Tape. Tarte Shape Tape is really long wearing, really long lasting, and really thick, and it dries really quickly. This is 24-hour wear, and it's waterproof.
Wow.
And it's cruelty free. It's awesome. The only thing is that it doesn't dry as quickly, which I like.
Okay. Oh, that's a good thing.
Exactly, because you have more time to work with it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. I think I chose the wrong color.
I think my under eyes look darker than they used to.
Same. Okay, what's next? Next, she is doing her powder foundation. I'm breaking out Mineral Wear from Physicians Formula. It's one of the fullest coverage, like creamy product.
All right, powder is on. What's next, girl?
Okay.
Tati, tell me the word.
All right, so Tati is doing her contour and blush. She's using a different one, but it has a little bit of warmth to it. So this is one from the Balm Cosmetics, which has a nice both warm and kind of like a rosy contour. And then this is from Hikari. It's actually a blush, but it's a very dark tone blush. And I have been using this for contour sometimes. So she's doing it in like this unique way where she's blending up the cheek, starting here and going up. Wow. That wasn't as light as I thought it would be.
We're definitely not in the right color scheme today. Do I look like Tati yet?
Yes, and I'm wondering where I went wrong. Okay, and then Tati went in with a little bit of like a lightish pink blush. You know what else I've noticed about makeup gurus? I hold my brushes really close to my face. Most makeup gurus hold their brushes like out here.
So I know she did that for the eyes, like apparently gives much more precision.
So Tati used like this nice little tan color. I'm going to be using this one from Smashbox called Goals.
Perfect. And I'm going to go with Shoe Tarte, this color over here from the Dream Big palette.
So she went risky, and then she took kind of like a darker pinkish color. You're going to use that pink?
I'm going to use
a cranberry?
Yeah, definitely a cranberry. I think I'm going to focus this more on the crease.
This is more of like a rusty fire color called It's Fire from Smashbox Cosmetics.
Ooh.
And so that's the one that I'm going to go for.
Yeah. Don't stab yourself.
Stabbity, stab, 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 stab. Okay, so now I'm going to put color in my crease.
Perfect.
Eco Tools. I love Tati so much. So she and I actually did a panel years ago together. It was so long ago, before she'd even like, you know, fully hit her groove on YouTube. And she's honestly such a beautiful, down-to-earth person. She's just like she is in videos in real life.
We did the crease. We did the base. Let's do this.
So for my outer corner shade, I'm going to use Majestic. This is beYoutiful. It's a nice, really dark corduroy. This is Aura Glow from JCat Beauty. Look at that.
What is that?
Liquid gold.
I want to bathe in that.
It's so good, and it's with argan oil.
Sparkly.
Catrice is bringing it.
This is sparkly.
Catrice brings it. I love their stuff. They're drugstore, they're affordable, and they're cruelty-free, and I feel like, honestly, I've never met a color brand that's been so effective and so good.
Really?
So Tati did mascara and lashes. You already got mascara on. I'm going to put on my Superfan mascara from Smashbox Cosmetics. And then she does lashes after mascara. She uses a lash curler, but you know I don't have suitcase room for that. These are magnetic lashes from Ardell. I've tried a different type and they were very difficult for me, but they come with this little applicator and they like magnetize to your eyelash. Basically, if you lay the top one onto your lash naturally and then use the tweezer type thing to bring the bottom one up to it, that's been the easiest for me, but sometimes it still doesn't work. And then sometimes I have big hands, so I just stab myself in the eye. So I'm going to do magnetic lashes too. I have the little wispies from Ardell. You have your upper and your lower. So you put your upper one on. Okay. And you just kind of place it there, and then you take the lower one and you just kind of like lift it up to it. Fudge! It pulled the other one off the top.
Do it, and then she makes it seem like it's
Ow! Ow!
No.
No?
No. Definitely pass on this one.
Ow! Ow! Okay.
Back.
Bye. Alright, now I'm gonna apply regular lashes.
And I think then it's almost highlighter time.
Yeah, well that's what she's up to. So Tati did her highlight. I have quite a few highlighters to work with, including Becca. You are using the JCat Beauty one. I'm gonna break out some blue glitter because I did not carry this all the way from California not to use it. Alright, so now Tati is using a drugstore lipstick, which is the Balmain times L'Oreal, which is like a purple color. I don't have that, but I do have a purple from Urban Decay. This is intense. It's super dark. I'm gonna try to mix it and like lighten it up a little bit. Ooh. And this is the one from the Kristen Leanne collaboration from Urban Decay. So it's like, it's a collab and it's a dark purple.
Just kind of lighten it up a little.
Okay, so she went in with purple, didn't like it, and went with a light one. So I'm gonna go in the purple.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go in with a light Becca one.
Perfect.
So this is my purple. I'm kind of feeling it. Wow.
That's really nice.
Isn't that nice?
It's actually really, really nice.
This is from Becca. It's super, super hydrating. And so it's pretty much like a lip gloss because it gives you that moisture. And you know what? We can use some green tea primer because this is literally green tea, jojoba, aloe vera. Like, it's so natural. Vitamin C. This is so natural that you could use this as well as a little bit of a gloss if you want to.
It's very hydrating. It's definitely very glossy.
Last but not least, I'm doing my mattifying setting spray from Cover FX. And like the beautiful people, I'm just going to take a shower in it.
Yes, don't forget to do like 40 sprays because that's what she does.
Really?
Yeah. Wow, you're like wet.
You said 40 sprays! I did 40! I was just trying to be like the beautiful people. This is a really powerful product though. And I'm done. Oh, eyebrows. She did her eyebrows first. I'm doing mine last. Tati.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I look like I just took a shower in Niagara Falls. So So these are my eyebrows, aka my caterpillars. I tried to do the Instagram thing. All right. This is my final look. What do you guys think? Are we beautiful? Be beautiful. Just be Tati.
Look like Tati yet?
I was gonna say you look beautiful, but you don't look like Tati, and neither do I.
Damn it!
I'm actually so happy that you got to meet Maya. Like, it makes me so happy. So this is our look. Let us know what you thought. I really like it. I don't feel like I did a fraction of as well as she did, though. I think she did a lot more blending.
She definitely is the blending queen. We know that.
Well, now I know I get to work on my blending.
Perfect.
Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't checked out Tati, go check her out. If you haven't checked out Maya, go check her out. I'm on the internet. You know that. I have the Instagrams. Carry on, tally ho.
Talk to you later.
I love you guys so much. We will see you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.